What if your tiny jade plant could transform into a thick, beautiful mini tree much faster than you ever imagined? Most people think jade plants naturally grow slowly, but the truth is they only grow slowly when they're kept in the wrong conditions. With the right light, watering routine, soil mix, and a few simple tricks, your jade plant can explode with healthy new leaves, stronger stems, and rapid branching. In this video, you'll learn the exact steps that plant lovers use to grow fuller, bushier, and faster-growing jade plants indoors. Whether your plant looks weak, stretched, or hasn't grown in months, these tips can completely change the way it grows. Let's turn your jade plant into a stunning indoor centerpiece starting today. Number 1. Give your jade plant more bright light. Light is the single most important factor for fast jade plant growth. Jade plants are succulents that naturally grow in bright and sunny environments, so keeping them in dark corners will slow them down dramatically. Place your jade plant near a bright south-facing or west-facing window where it can receive several hours of sunlight every day. Morning sunlight is especially helpful because it is gentle but still powerful enough to encourage strong growth. If your jade plant becomes tall and stretched with large gaps between leaves, that usually means it needs more light. Rotate the pot every week so all sides grow evenly and the plant doesn't lean toward the window. During rainy seasons or darker months, a small grow light can help maintain healthy growth and prevent the plant from becoming weak or leggy indoors. Number 2. Use fast-draining soil for strong roots. Healthy roots are the foundation of a fast-growing jade plant. If the soil stays wet for too long, roots can rot and the plant will stop growing completely. Jade plants need loose, fast-draining soil that allows excess water to escape quickly. A cactus or succulent mix works well, especially when mixed with perlite or coarse sand for extra drainage. Avoid heavy garden soil because it traps too much moisture around the roots. When repotting, always choose a container with drainage holes at the bottom so water never sits inside the pot. Terracotta pots are also excellent because they dry out faster than plastic containers. Good soil not only prevents root problems, but also allows oxygen to reach the roots more easily. Strong roots absorb nutrients better, which helps the plant produce thicker stems, greener leaves, and much faster overall growth. Number 3. Water correctly without overwatering. One of the biggest mistakes people make with jade plants is watering too often. Even though water helps plants grow, too much water can damage jade plants very quickly. The best method is to water deeply only when the soil becomes completely dry. Stick your finger into the soil about 2 inches deep to check before watering again. During spring and summer, jade plants usually need more water because they are actively growing. In winter, growth slows down, so watering should also be reduced. When watering, soak the soil thoroughly until water drains from the bottom, then empty the tray so roots never sit in excess moisture. Healthy watering habits encourage strong root systems and steady growth. If leaves become soft, yellow, or mushy, that may be a sign of overwatering. Balanced watering keeps your jade plant healthy, compact, and constantly producing fresh growth. Number 4. Feed your jade plant the right fertilizer. Jade plants can survive without fertilizer, but feeding them properly can speed up growth significantly. During the active growing season in spring and summer, use a balanced liquid fertilizer about once every 4 to 6 weeks. A simple fertilizer with equal numbers like 10-10-10 works very well. Always dilute fertilizer to half strength, because jade plants are sensitive to strong feeding. Too much fertilizer can burn the roots and damage the plant instead of helping it grow. Fertilizer provides important nutrients that support leaf production, root development, and stronger stems. However, avoid fertilizing during winter because the plant naturally rests during colder months. Feeding at the wrong time can stress the plant unnecessarily. When combined with proper sunlight and watering, fertilizer can help your jade plant grow fuller and greener much faster. You'll start noticing healthier leaves and new branches appearing more often throughout the season. Number 5. Prune your jade plant for bushier growth. Pruning is one of the easiest ways to make a jade plant grow thicker and fuller. Many beginners are afraid to trim their plants, but pruning actually encourages stronger branching and healthier growth. When you cut a stem above a leaf node, the plant often responds by growing 2 new branches from that area. This creates a bushier and more tree-like appearance over time. The best time to prune is during spring or early summer, when the plant is actively growing. Remove weak, stretched, or damaged stems first. You can also shape the plant to make it look more balanced and attractive. Don't throw away healthy cuttings because jade plants propagate very easily in soil. Regular pruning improves airflow, strengthens the structure, and helps the plant focus energy on producing fresh growth. Over time, your jade plant will become much denser, healthier, and visually impressive indoors. Number 6. Keep the temperature warm, and stable jade plants grow fastest in warm and stable temperatures. Because they are succulents, they prefer conditions similar to dry desert climates. The ideal temperature range is around 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, or about 18 to 27 degrees Celsius. If temperatures become too cold, growth slows dramatically, and the plant may even drop leaves. Keep your jade plant away from cold drafts, air conditioners, or freezing windows during winter. Sudden temperature changes can stress the plant and reduce healthy growth. Warm temperatures help the roots stay active and allow the plant to produce new leaves more consistently. Humidity is usually not a major concern because jade plants prefer drier air compared to tropical houseplants. Stable indoor conditions are perfect for them. If your jade plant receives warmth, sunlight, and proper care consistently, it will reward you with stronger stems, faster branching, and vibrant green foliage year-round. Growing a jade plant faster is not about using complicated tricks or expensive products. It simply comes down to giving the plant what it naturally loves: bright light, well-draining soil, careful watering, occasional feeding, and a warm environment. When these conditions are combined, jade plants can grow surprisingly fast and develop into beautiful mini trees that last for decades. Remember, patience is still important because healthy growth happens steadily over time. Keep observing your plant, adjust care when needed, and don't be afraid to prune for fuller growth. Soon, you'll notice thicker stems, shinier leaves, and many new branches forming. Your small jade plant can eventually become one of the most beautiful indoor plants in your home. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to keep caring for your plant consistently and watch it thrive bigger and stronger every single season.